What's good people, my name is Ayush and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today is the 22nd day of the 30 day 30 video challenge. And right now I'm going on a photo walk. Yeah, I know it's a lockdown, but I can't really help it. I really want to go out because I wasn't feeling making anything at home because it's so boring. So yeah, I won't be going far, I'll be going nearby. So yeah, let's see how the scenes are. It has been a long time since I last went out for shooting streets. When I started photography, I used to be crazy about shooting street photography. There was a time when I used to go out at least 2 or 3 times a week for shooting street photography. When I'm out in the streets, all I need are my headphones and my camera, and that's it. I'm lit. So yeah, let's continue our walk and let's see what else we get. So right now we are in front of this under construction metro station and we are going to try and go up there. So yeah, I don't know if it's legal. I think it's illegal, but yeah, let's give it a shot. Okay, so I am on the top and that is the main metro gate and there is my camera. I'm shooting a time lapse there. Let me know in the comments down below guys if I get caught by the police. And if I show them my YouTube channel and I'm making content for YouTube, will they leave me? Let me know in the comments. Okay, so I just saw a caretaker inside there. So I won't be going inside. I'll shoot a few time lapses here and then I'll head back home because I don't want to take any chances. Because if I get caught by the police and I have to call my parents, I'm going to be in some deep shit. So yeah, let's just know our limits. Limits are made to be broken. So we'll try to sneak him from the behind and let's see if we can explore a bit more of this place. That was a good quick adventure guys, but I'm going to leave now because I think the guard found out that I was sneaking in. So yeah, let's get the hell out of here. So that's it for today's video guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing, and I'll see you